What are the steps will be involved in the change pointer from step one to ending? Create a logical system and assign a logical system with respect to client using the T code cell, and create a RFC connection, that is the receiver system information we can maintain using the T code SM59. Create a port, that is a T code we can use the W21. Maintain the partner profile, that is a T code W20. Here we can use the T codes, work with BD50 and work with the BD52 and work with the BD61. These are the three very important steps which we are going to working on. BD61 nothing but to activate the change pointer globally. BD50 nothing but activate the change pointer at message type level, and BD52 we can activate the field level. And then you can create a new material, or you can exist the new try to change the existing material and run this program, that is SE38. Run the T code SE38 and enter the program name in the program field, and either you can run the T code BD21. Both are same. You can run either BD21 or this program from SE38. You can run. Then you can distribute the data and you can run the program. Okay, BD21. This step is not required, and check the IDOC list is the T code W05 or 02. Okay, now we don't need to go all the things. Okay, create a logical system with respect to client. We already seen from day one onwards how to create a logical systems. Okay, we will see the detailed information. What are the systems they have created and they have maintained with respect to client from sender and receiver. We will see the system level. Now I'm in SAP system, that is sender system, that is client 800. Okay, now we expand. Okay, now I run the T, and now I'm in command cell T code. If you see here, the transaction cell, expand the basic setting and expand the logical system. Okay, and directly I'm going to assign a logical system to client. What are the systems they have maintained? Pop-up is coming, click on enter, and 800 client, select 800, click on detail icon. Okay, there you can see these are the sender system they have maintained. ALE underscore TRB underscore S, this is the sender system. When I click on back, select 810, this is the receiver system. Click on the search icon. There you can see receiver system. Okay, they have maintained successfully. Now go to SM59. They have created a RFC destination alert on the receiver system. /n SM59. Expand the basics above connection folder, and there you can try to find the receiver system name, and you can click on find button and you can enter the receiver system name. Enter the RFC destination name, click on enter. The system is created or not. On this one, successfully they have created the RFC destination on the receiver system. See, they have maintained, fine, and they have maintained the receiver system IP address and instance number, logon security they have maintained. Okay, when I click on remotely logon, I'm going to navigate into 810 client. This is the receiver system. I'm able to log in. And step number 3, I'm going to see the receiver port on top of this RFC connection. They have created a port or not. Then I'm going to T code W21 and select the transactional RFC. And here again, click on the find button. And you can try to find the port. If you remember any port, you can try to find. Okay, on which port number they have created. I'm scrolling down. I'm selecting the WCON 8064. See, they have created the RFC destination, the port they are on top of the RFC destination. Okay, this is our RFC destination. Okay, fine. They have created successfully. The port number is 8A000064. The port is they have created successfully. Now I'm going to creating the partner profile, that is T code W20. Okay, they have created or not on the RFC destination. We will see the receiver system. Expand the logical system, partner type LS, and you can scroll down. What is the receiver system? There you can see they have maintained successfully in the receiver system. Okay, the outbound parameter they have maintained successfully. Double click on the message type, and there you can see what the port they have maintained. What the port they have maintained. How to find a port? Okay, this is also one way we can try to find the port. Come to the receiver system. Come to partner profile, and what the port they are using, we can try to find. That is also one option we can use it. And when I click on successfully, they have created. Now I'm going to activate in the change pointer globally. That is the T code BD61. Run the T code BD61. Select the checkbox. Change pointers activated generally. Click on save. Okay, this is the T code I'm going to activating, and it is asking the customization request. I'm saving my request, the change pointer request with respect to my tier. When I click on enter, I have saved successfully. When I click on back, Now go to T code BD50. Okay, and click on position button. While transferring the material, you are using a message type MathMask, right, to transfer the material from sender to receiver. There you can see select the message type, and there you can see in select. Okay, inactive is there. I'm going to activating the message type. Click on save. Check the checkbox and click on save. And again, it is asking the tier. And okay, I'm going to save with respect to my tier. When I click on enter, I have activated successfully the message type also. Now when I click on back, once I maintain, now run the T code BD52. BD52. Once I run or enter the message type, click on enter, and these are the with respect to message type, what are the tables they are using and what are the fields, that information will be available. If you want to add new field, you can click on new entry. If you want to delete any field, you can delete. Okay, what are the things you want to perform, you can perform. I'm not deleting, I'm using a standard message type. Okay, I'm not deleting anything. Okay, when I click on save button, I have saved successfully. Now I'm going to creating a new material. That is, before going to creating a new material, okay, first I'm going to creating a new material, that is BD10. And instead of that one, you can go to SE11, SE16N, that is a transaction code. You can go to BDC-P2. When I click on execute button, there you can see here you are getting the change pointer. There you can see you are getting a x-axis. The change pointer, there you can see processing indicator is selected. Means it is not transported. It is not transported successfully. That is the point here. If you click on back here, you can use the message type. Here you can use the message type MathMask. When I click on exit, I'm filtering the value. See, there are how many entries are there? There are a lot of. There you can see. If you selecting X, this record is going to created. Okay, how do you know this record is created and this record is transferred from sender to receiver? How do you know? There you can see the change indicator. This is nothing but a, okay, we are handling the, right, who is created this record and who is trying to modify the record. We are handling in the database table, right? The same way in the IDOC, how to handle. That is the part. If you are getting the change indicator I, this is the creating new record. This is a creating new record. You are getting a U, that is a update. That is a update in the record. Okay, they are trying to modify the record in the existing material, or okay, the existing material they're trying to modify it. That is the point here. Okay, that is the point here. Okay, now I'm going to trying to create, okay, on this date we can, if you want to filter, you can filter also. Okay, we can filter also whatever you want, you can filter. Okay, we can filter on the processing indicator level, we can try to filter. Okay, on which date they have created. If you want to find anything, you can find it. Okay, you can find it. Okay, there you can say all are x-axis they have created successfully. Okay, now I'm going to creating a new material. Okay, /n mm01 to create a new material and enter the material number. Okay, IDOC change pointer, enter the industry sector, mechanical. You can choose anything. Material type I'm choosing as a raw material. And click on enter. Select the basic data one, click on enter, and okay, change pointer, enter the base width of measure, click on 2, click on S. I'm going to creating a material. Okay, they have maintained some condition. I'm entering the gross weight 20, weight unit grams, net weight I'm entering. I'm entering the net weight is missing. This validation done. Click on enter. I'm going to create a successfully created. Now go to /o SE11 and sorry, SE16N. Already I have opened. And I click on back, execute, message type MathMask. Okay, and the field name, container, creation time, activation time, user I'm entering 91, user 29. This is my username. Click on execute button, and here you can try to find change point. There you can see last. Okay, you can try to find the, okay, these are the, I'm descending order. I'm selecting ascending or descending order. I'm selecting the row. See, there are no records. There you can see first 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you can see if you are getting, okay, these 4 records will be created. Okay, I have created 1 record only, but if you observe here, there are 3 records. Okay, I. Okay, it is, see, if you observe, okay, the DA make DA MKT, DA MARM, these are base unit of measure and Mara table related information will be storing. That's why it is showing that information. Okay, that information will be storing. Okay, there you can see change pointer number. The change point number will be happen. Okay, the change pointer will be happen. Now I'm going to run the T code /o bd21. Okay, now I'm going to run the execute the T code and I am entering the message type matmas. When I click on execute button, and there you can see one master record IDAC is set up, and when I click on enter, one communication IDAC created. I'm going to transferring sender to receiver. Okay, now I'm going to the T code W05 in the sender system. The record is created, the record is posted or not successfully in the sender set. We'll see. Okay, when I click on, I'm going to executing. Okay, if you go to last record, double click on the record. Okay, this is the transport A064 and expand the status record. There you can see successful. Expand the data record, double click on the main segment, and there you can see what is the material. This is the material, right? That's how you can see. Okay, this is successfully we created. Now I'm going to the receiver system. This is my receiver system. Under /n w050, the record is posted or not. When I click on execute button, you can try to find the record is posted or not. If you scroll down, go to bottom, the record is posted or not. Okay, you see the record is not posted. Why? Because okay, we saw some errors. Okay, the status, expand the status record, double click on the expand the 51 status, and here you can see message been issued. Why it is issued? Double click on the 51 left side, one notepad icon is there. Double click on there. Okay, it will navigate your application log, and here you are getting one error message. There you can see basic top measure issue. Okay, we are seeing the troubleshoot IDAC also, right? The same thing here. I'm going to modify the record. Okay, expand the data record. Double click on main segment left side, one notepad icon is there. Double click on there, and I'm trying to change the value in the base unit of measurement. Go to from menu bar, data record, click on change button, click on enter, and here you can see remove. And here I'm entering a base unit of measurement GAU. When I click on save icon, I have changed it successfully. When I click on back, okay, and again come to last segment, double click on here. Here also we have that option is there. And the segment left side we have a notepad icon, double click on the notepad icon, and from menu bar data record, click on change button and enter the value. Pop-up is coming, click on enter. Here the base unit of measurement is there. Here I am entering a GAU. When I click on save icon, the record is going to save successfully. When I click on back, and I am going to refresh. Now you can see the status will be changing from status 51 to 69. That status will be going to change. Okay, now okay, there you can see 69 and 70. Okay, the default the 70 record will be created and it is showing the green color. Now we need to reprocess this IDAC, the 69 status. Once I reprocess, okay, there are two techniques are there. Either we can go for BD87 or W19. Okay, if I am going to BD87, the same existing record. Okay, if I am going to BD87 and the same existing record, the same IDAC, it will be going to, the status will be going to changing. Okay, if I am using the W19, okay, the same record will be there, the same IDAC number, and it will be generated new IDAC number. Okay, we can use the, okay, whatever it may be, we can use it. /o W19. Either you can go for W19 or you can go for BD87. Both are to reprocess your IDAC. Okay, and I am running the T code /o W19 and I enter the existing IDAC. Okay, you can enter the existing IDAC. If you know the IDAC number and click on execute button on this IDAC, I'm going to reprocessing. Select the segment and select the EDI. I can select. Okay, select the segment here and click on okay, start outbound processing. When I click on start, okay, outbound processing. When I click on select the inbound function module. Sorry, not this one. Standard inbound. port SPDA key. Yeah, select your main segment and click on start standard inbound. These are using a standard inbound, right? Okay, and click on enter. These are the inbound function module and this is the process code. Or this is the message type you are using. This is the receiver system. When I click on enter, it is generating the new IDAC. See, there it will be generated. The IDAC will be transferred to application. When I click on enter, okay, now go to your W05. Come to W05 T code and click on refresh. There you go. Okay, there you can see we are using the 127, right? The IDAC number. Okay, it will be keep it as it is and it will be change the, it will have the new record. There you can see 127 is as the keep it as it is and it will be generated as a new record. For double click on the new record and 53 you are getting a inbound 53 status record and status record you are getting. There see the record is posted. Okay, now expand the data record. Double click on the segment and what is the material? This is the material created. Come to /o w sorry me20 sorry mm03 enter the material number, click on enter. There you can see it is posted successfully. Now go to your sender system. Now go to your sender system and see the change pointer in your sender system. Okay, when I click on refresh, if you see it will be showing as a XXX. You are able to see, right? Okay, there you can see XXX. It will be created successfully. It is posted. This is the change pointer. Now that you have completed watching this video, please replicate the steps in your system.